Good morning, guys. We're going up to Ermita Hill right now, and it's 5:55 a.m. You will see in my background, it says Ermita Hill. So welcome to Ermita Hill here in Baler. Medyo napagod kami konti, kunwari nag-jogging ba. Enjoy watching, and don't forget to subscribe. Hi guys, welcome to Ermita Hill here in Baler. So if you can see here, it's different color, which means I don't know. But what I think is that it's for you to start your day. Be colorful. Koloran ang walang kulay na buhay. Hi guys, so we're going up to the cross, and it says here that we're here in Ermita Hill, Barangay Zabali, Baler, Aurora. Zabali ka mo? This is the stairs going up to the cross. So we're walking, going up, and we're seeing trees that was labeled by the people out here. DNR, whatever you call it. Just like this. So, since the people are preserving this area, tourists should also be responsible in their actions. Napagod. Also, they put trash bags so that you can put your waste in there. The track is easy. It's not that hard. Simentado naman. Hindi masyadong mahirap umakyat dito sa Ermita Hill. Gaya ng iniisip mo. Nakakahingal tumakbo. Pero somewhere here, before you reach the cross, you can have a viewpoint overlooking that place. The rock formation. Whew! Ganda ng sunrise. You know what? They also have what they call this. We played this when we were young. We called it palayan. Here we are. Mga ilang minutes lang naman nilakad. Tinakbo namin para maabot yung cross na to. Ang cross, kung hindi ko alam kung anong kwento, pero mamaya tatanungin namin. Forgot the story behind here. Or maybe because of the families came up here a long time ago. Just to survive. So this is the view. That's where we came from. It is already started. Sunod ka lang. This is where the overlooking parties, you can see their Sabang Beach. Wow! Punta ka kaya dito. Ang ganda kaya. Hi guys. See that? That's what I'm talking about. Oh, ganda. Ang ganda kasing ganda ko. So may reaction to eh. Diba? Medyo malakas kasi hangin dito kaya may mga ganyan. Guys, let's go down. That's Sabang. Let's go surfing. And I'm going down. Pero walang sasalo sa akin sa baba. Mahirap magpakahulog na walang sasalo. May napulot akong magandang leaves. I saw here heart shape. Bakit ang leaves na to may heart? Hindi ko alam kung saan dyan, pero it's so cute. And according to my kasama here, it's a fruit. Fruit daw yung bunga niya. Malamang bunga. Oh my God, this is so crazy. We're going down already. And yeah, I think we've gotta enjoy this. Dahil walang trail, jog na lang kami pababa. Actually, there is a trail. Depende lang sa'yo. It's a mindset, you know? Nakachinelas pa ako, ha? Partida ito. On my left, nakalimutan ko na ito. You can see where kung saan kinukulong yung mga ibon dati. Pero ibon lang ang kinukulong. Hindi siya. Huwag mo siya ikulong sa puso mo or else you're dead. Not dead, bro. But that's the ano ba tawag mo? Ewan, nakalimutan. Huwag masyadong magpakulong. Sabay tawa naman. Well, here we are. Already, ano yun? Manok. Nakabalik na kami dito sa may ground ng Ermita. Sabi nga, barangay Zabali to. Malay mo, Zabali in Ilocano means iba. Baka iba yung kasama at iba yung hinahanap mo. Guys, subscribe! Bye!